Hi viewers, this is Vani Venkataratnam. Last Thursday, I had asked 10 simple questions in Share Simple Science for children especially. Let us just try to discuss the answers. If you like the video, kindly share, comment, and you can ask more and more questions, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay? The first question was about bubbles. How do bubbles form? We know that when soap is touched with a wet hand, a little bit of water, you are going to see thin surface of bubbles, isn't it? Those are nothing but the mixture of both water as well as the soap molecules. Soap molecules have two ends. One end is called as hydrophobic, the other end is called as hydrophilic. Phobic is moving away, philic is getting attracted. So there is a thin surface of water molecule which is being sandwiched by the soap molecule on either sides, and hence you are going to see a thin structure, a thin layer which is circular, and no sooner it is going to evaporate. These are called as bubbles. Got it? The second question was to identify a green color fruit. It was almost similar like a jackfruit, more or less, but it is slightly smaller compared to that of jackfruit because jackfruits are quite big. These fruits were identified in 15th century by Europeans, and they were given to the cattle, animals as food. But later on, as years passed, even human beings, we people also can take this fruit because it is having rich nutrient value. Third question was about a pencil. A pencil which was placed in half filled glass of water. It appeared to be bent. What was the reason for this? The reason is refraction. We know that light rays are passing from the sun. These light rays, when they hit an object, opaque objects or transparent objects, they try to bend and move away, the waves. Okay. Here the glass, water and air all are transparent. So when the light rays hit the pencil, which is not dipped in water, you are going to see as it is straight. But the one which is submerged in water, the rays, when they are trying to move away from water through glass and air, they are changing three media there. So what happens is the rays appears to be bent, and this process is called as refraction. Okay. Fourth question was about safety matches. The tip of the match, that is the head of the matchstick, is having certain chemical. And what is that chemical? This chemical is made up of potassium, sulfur and phosphorus. Similarly, at the side of the matchbox also you are going to see there are dot like structures, and that is also nothing but phosphorus. It is red phosphorus. So red phosphorus helps to ignite. It tries to lit. It gives sparks to start a fire. Okay. The next question was about identifying a heart. It was a mammalian heart. It is about a circulatory system which is present in mammals. Heart is a pumping organ which is going to pump the oxygenated blood to all parts of the body, and it receives the deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body, and it oxygenates by passing it on to the lungs and getting back from the lungs. Last year actually 10th graders had study on organ system. So we had been to slaughterhouse and collected certain organs, out of which this was the mammalian heart. It was of goat. So it would be easy for the students to know about the organ systems, isn't it? So it is a heart of a goat. Sixth question was about identifying a brown color or a black color stone. This is a natural magnet. It is called as lodestone. The other name for it is magnetite, which was identified in Magnesia, Greek. And the magic of this stone is that it attracts iron. It is made up of aluminium and magnesium. It's It's found in the earth's crust. So it's a natural magnet and it is called as magnetite. Seventh question is about potato. Potato has certain points which are called as eyes. Be careful, someone is watching you. These eyes are the structures, the points where the potato can grow further. So these are called as growth points. If you take a sharp knife and try to remove all these eyes, but with the help of your parents, and try to just plant all these eyes in a pot and cover with a little bit of soil, each eye is going to get into a new potato. Okay, so these are the eyes of the potato. Next question, eighth question, was about the sky. The sky is blue in color but not in any other color. What is the reason? We know that the atmosphere is made up of gases, dust particles, and even there are the light rays. These light rays are made up of white light. White light is further having the 7 rainbow colors, which we call it as VIBGYOR: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. 7 colors. Out of all these colors, it is the blue color which is having shorter wavelength and it is scattered more in the atmosphere. Hence, our eyes perceive blue towards the sky. Hence, the sky looks blue. Okay. Ninth question was about a water body which was green in color. Usually the pond, pool which has stagnant water is green in color. Water is colorless or it is transparent as we described, but sometimes there is green color in the stagnant water. Stagnant means which is not moving, still water. This is due to algal growth. Algae is a tiny plant which grows. It is photosynthetic and it prepares its own food. It's green in color. Sometimes there are even brown color algae. It's not safe to swim in such type of water because there may be chemicals in them, pathogens due to pollution, or sometimes there may be less oxygen in such type of water bodies. So it's not good to swim in green color or any other color other than the proper color of the water. Last question is about center of gravity. Any object we take, there is a point which balances all the parts of the object or the parts in case of a body. It may be even human body also. The position while we sit or we are walking or exercising, there is a point of balance. And this particular point helps us or it tries to avoid us from a fall. It balances our body. So the point in the body where exactly it is going to balance all the parts of that particular object or a body is called as center of gravity. I hope all these questions are clear for you. If you have any doubts, kindly comment, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.